Welcome to Ritomo's Image Rotation Tool demonstration. This is Ritomo's user interface, where we have loaded the piston demo file, which is included in the distribution. The image rotation tool's purpose is to reorient the model in space in order to process it more easily. In the piston's case, a characteristic feature that can be used as an example is this pin. We rotate the model and drag the slices in a convenient position, which allows us to see the exact orientation of the pin. We need to achieve the appropriate view of the pin, approximately where its midsection is visible. We are now ready to use the image rotation tool. By right-clicking on the original image, we can access the Rotate Image option. The Set New Axis window opens and we are ready to proceed. In this case, we will reorient the positive x-axis so that it is parallel to the pin's longitudinal direction. When the positive x button is clicked, a new coordinate system is created in the graphics area, in which the positive x-axis is vertical to the screen and points towards the user. We have now oriented the x-axis correctly, but as we can see, the other axes are not aligned properly in relation to the vertical direction of the scan. We switch to the top view to reorient the z-axis, which is perpendicular to the screen. Since we want to flip the piston vertically, we select the -z option. The z-axis is now pointing in the opposite direction. To finalize our selection, we need to select our noise threshold, whose purpose is similar to the low clipping tool. Whatever voxel has an intensity value below the designated value will become black, thus minimizing the image's size. In other words, it eliminates areas with noise, which renders the model lighter. Let's set it to 4100. Lastly, we need to select whether to overwrite the current image, which is not undoable, or create a child image, which is of course safer. We confirm the parameters and a properly oriented child image is generated. Here, we can see the noise threshold's effect. The tool managed to set the boundary of the slice very close to the item's boundary as well as smooth the image. For comparison purposes, this is the model before using the image rotation tool, where the gap between the model's edge and the slice's boundary is significantly larger. Thank you for watching.